Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video update for Bitcoin, we are trading at $19,790. 24-hour volume, we are down 15.9%, and market cap, we are down 0.66%. Heading over to our chart here, we're going to go through 4 time intervals starting on 1 week here. We can see that price is dropping here essentially with these huge volume candles. Now, if we take a look at our volume in comparison with the price action movement on our chart, we are decreasing in the volume as price is retracing downwards. So essentially the downtrend is not supported by the volume here, and exit short entry upon further sign of any type of reversal on a weekly chart here. Now, if we take a look quickly on our MACD indicator, we can see we are well below our 0% line, which essentially continues on in this downtrend. But not only that, we do see confirmation as we are further away from our 20 MA line and our 50 MA line as well. But we can see too is our Bollinger Bands are closing in and potentially going to squeeze in the next couple of weeks or so, initiating a possible breakout in an uptrend or downtrend. Now, going into our daily chart here, we're going to take a look at our RSI comparison in yesterday's candlestick. And what we can see itself in yesterday's candlestick, we saw a crossover of our K line and our D line here, of course, coming back and retracing up to our resistance line at 20,466. Notice that the body of this, the candle wick itself is in the middle, and what we can see is prices retracing down from achieving a high RSI to be considered to be overbought. If we take a look at our MACD indicator, we are still in the red. However, the trend is potentially going to die out here, signaling a possible support on our 78% of our fib chart at 19,740. As we can see that the volume itself has significantly decreased from yesterday to today. However, today is not quite done yet, but what we need to initiate is hopefully getting the same amount of volume compared to yesterday's. If we do see a decrease of volume, again, the downtrend is not supported by the volume, so we want to be doing exit short trades. Now, going into a 2-hour time frame itself, what we can see again is the activity of these candlesticks. As price is coming down to an area of support, we're seeing the body itself is getting smaller and the wicks are aggressively either higher at the top or higher at the bottom here. Now, if we look at our MACD indicator, we're seeing the same thing on our daily chart is a weakness in the trend itself. So we are anticipating this trend to come to a close. Anticipate that the trend itself is going to dip ever so slightly here as this MACD indicator flips from red to green. What we can see again is this huge red candle compared to the green candle itself. We can see that the RSI is at 50% and 37%, initiating that we are hopefully going to come back up and retest areas of resistance. And if we can already see an area of resistance is from here at $19,910. Heading over to more of an immediate short term here for 30 minutes, what we can see is our MACD indicator again still far away from our 0% line. The volume itself is decreasing of our histograms of our MACD. And if we take a look at the volume at the very bottom, again, very, very stagnant. It's average. So whenever we see the volume like this, it's basically initiating consolidation, and price action is going to go sideways here. We can see that the Bollinger Bands as well is initiating that the price is going to consolidate, and we're going to see price hit resistance and price hit support. So roughly around here is where we're finding support on a 30 time frame is 19,763. Multiple candlesticks have retraced to this level itself. When we take a look at possible rejections here to change the trend in a shorter time frame, notice how many times we've been rejected from the 20 MA multiple times here. So until we want to break out and retest this dollar amount of our fib at 19,800, we essentially need to retest the 20 MA and break through it. The volume itself is not helping us because it's not supporting the amount of volume compared to what we see at the chart, and a possible reversal here is going to happen here if we do see the white line going below the pink line itself at an area of confluence of the 20 MA. So price may come back and retest this area of support. So that is my video here, you guys, in 4 different time frames depending on what you guys trade. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment down below, but I'll see you next time.